Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to day 18 of our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Ume Asma and today we are diving into the tree maps in Power BI. So this is a visually appealing way to display hierarchical data. Alright, so let's see what is a tree map. So tree maps are a hierarchical data visualization tool that uses nested triangles to represent data proportions, as you can see in the image here on the left side. Okay, so each triangle size corresponds to its value, making it easy to identify patterns and trends at a glance. All right, so now when to use a tree maps are perfect when you need to display parts of a whole or hierarchical relationship within your data, like your sales by region and product categories. All right, let's get started. So this is our Power BI interface. So on the right hand side, I have my orders data. So in the data, I have a different fields called city, country, customer ID, customer name, customer segment, discount, order date, so on and so forth. All right. So here, in the previous class, we have seen a donut chart, but today we are going to learn a tree map here. Double click on the tree map, and here you can resize, or you get a tile on the screen and you can resize the tile here. Okay, yes, here whenever we click on any visual you get a different fields, data fields here. Like here for a tree map we have a category, details and values. Okay, so in the category I'll be giving a subcategory, okay, category, product category and product container. Let's give this. Okay, in the values I'll be giving a region. I'll give a region in details, and in the values I'll give a sales. Okay, so see, this is our tree map here. All right, so this is the technology, this area where we have a different regions, that is your east, west, central and the south. Okay, here again for office supplies you can see east, central, south and the west, and for the furniture as well. So this is the sum of sales. So if you want to see the data on the tree map, so what you have to do here is just go to format visuals and you can just turn on the data labels and you can see the data on the screen here. Okay, so now let's look at some format of our tree map. So let's, here we have a legend, colors, data labels and category labels. So let's turn on the legend here. In the legend we have a different options, like say product category we have given technology, furniture and office supplies. So where we have to position this, to top right stacked, so you can see top right stacked, and here I want to position to center right, so center right. I have top left, so here the top left. Okay, and here you can increase the size, you can give a desired font for the text here. Okay, like I'll be giving a 10. All right, and you can increase the size here. See, product category, technology, furniture and office supplies. And if you want to change a color you can change a color here. All right, yes. Okay, so this text is done. So now we have a title here. So in the title you can keep a title here. Okay, if you don't want a title you can just off this title as well. Okay, now I want to keep that title, so you can keep that. Yeah, this is the settings for the legends. So now let's move on to the color. So here we have a different color. So you want to change a color of the furniture, you can change the color of the furniture. Okay, yeah, so now I want to change the color of this category, so you can change that. So for the office supplies you can change here. Okay, so this is how your tree maps looks like when you change the colors. And here we have turned on the data label. So here you want to give a font size for a data label, you can give it, you can give your desired font here. You can increase the font size, of your data label. Okay, so like that was in the symbol, so I'll give it in a Times New Roman here. Okay, east, central, south, you can see there. You want to change the color of the font, or you can change it. See the black color. All right. Yes. So right now I'll be selecting a white here, and here we have a different display unit. So like it's in auto here. If you want to give it in a thousands, millions, billions, and trillions, you can give that. So okay, you can select that. So see for thousands. All right, so display units, and here the value, decimal value. So how much decimal values you want after a point, you also you can give that decimal value. Okay, so we have done with the data labels. Now let's look at the category label. All right, so here in the category label, again we have a font, we have a font size, bold, italic, or underline. Any color you can give it here. See, here is the category labels. You can see the category. So like office supplies, technology, and the furniture. Let's change this color to white. Okay, and let us increase the size. All right. Maps are intuitive and offer a quick visual representation of data hierarchy. There are also space sufficient, which makes them ideal for dashboard. All right. So here, avoid using tree maps for very detailed hierarchies or data sets with many categories, as it can become cluttered and you can lose its effectiveness. So if you found today's tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, that's all for today's session on Tree Maps. See you tomorrow as we explore another exciting Power BI visuals. Until then, keep exploring and analyzing. Bye bye.